Thank you so much, Rachna, for your wonderful support and guidance. You really helped me a lot. Firstly, for the meditation part, I told you I am not a person who can do concentration. I am a totally person who's really, very. I told you that I don't have patience at all. For even meditating for 2 minutes also, it's the biggest deal for me. But with your guidance and the way you really tackled my, all the questions, my all the, uh, impatience, the way you handled everything with me. Right now I've started doing meditation by myself. Firstly, that is the important part, and not just for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, but for 15-20 minutes. That's the biggest achievement, for me. And secondly, on daily basis also, it's very we always come to the feeling, sometimes we're very pumped up with a lot of positivity, but sometimes do we have, negative, we get a little distracted or we feel a little low. But the way you told the techniques of, taking out the negativity, it's really helping a lot. So, daily basis, I can feel myself very positive, energized, and in case when I have sometime I feel low, it's very easy for me to, take off all the negative and, feel again pumped out and with all the great enthusiasm. It's really great. Thank you so much for your wonderful support.